everyone, my name is Goh Jinn Chyn. I am a student from University Science Malaysia. Our School of Electrical and Electronics, give a responsibility to my team to develop a multimedia system that is able to display information on current and graduated students. The developed system should be considered some special specifications, and my team member will explain it one by one later. Now I would like to start to describe the steps for develop this system. First of all, we have stated some problem statement that related to the system. The main problem is how to design a system to display information on current and graduated students. What is the purpose to design the student information multimedia system? Is it such important for our school? How was the system works? It works independently or manually controlled by the management level. What is the hardware, cost, power needed for this system? The cost needed for the system should not be too high due to our budget control. On the other hand, the power consumption per year for the system should be controlled at a logic level. Lastly, how was the sustainability of the system? The system should be last more than 10 years if it is under maintenance every single year. Now I would like to introduce what is Student Information Multimedia System. The history of information system only spanned 5 decades. Information system has done more to expand business and industry into global markets than any other convention in history. Nowadays, every university have their own student information system. We would like to introduce the Student Information System, SIS, to display the information of current and graduated students. Why the students' multimedia system is so important? First of all, the student information system have provided some very important capabilities. First one, registering students on the courses, documenting grading transcripts, results of student tests, and other assessment scores. On the other hand, we still can build the students' academic schedules in this system. Lastly, of course, is the tracker of the attendance for the students. Next, I would like to introduce what is the level of the student information multimedia system. This diagram shows the pyramids of the SIS. The basement of the pyramid is done by the operation level, which is students and workers. The second level is knowledge level. Lecturer and data workers represent this in this level. Third level is management level, which is represented by professor and or known as manager. The top level of this pyramid is the strategic level, which is represented by our dean. Our aim for this project is to create a user-friendly and able to have instant update system, cost-effective and sustainable to obtain and display information on current and graduate students. Also is the factors that we have to consider for this system. Our main focus is on current alumni and the graduate alumni. There is 5 strategy priorities for modernizing the system, which is digitize paper-based process, enrich advising support, create a seamless user experience, and ensure technical stabilization to fulfill the maintenance change.
Hello everyone, my name is Lew Yit Shien. Now, let's see what are the previous works or researches done on student information system. There is a paper which proposes web-based student information management system, SIMS, designed using SQL Server. The design languages used by them are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. While there is another paper which proposes a SIMS based on browser server management system, which uses ASP, which also known as Active Server Pages, and takes VB script as the main script. They choose Microsoft Office Access as their database management system. Next, there is one more paper which proposes an Android applications for student information system. It is designed using Android XML, Java, MySQL, and PHP. Okay, now let's move on to the methodology. These are some of the software and hardware used in our student information system design. The web server software we choose is Apache. Apache is the most used web server software in the world. Some people may ask why we need a web server. A web server is required to process the request via HTTP. For instance, while you type google.com in your URL and press enter, you are sending a request to a Google server. And the Google server will find the page and deliver it to your computer. That's it. While PHP language is used to design the dynamic web page content, a simulator of the web page outcome of our student information system will be shown later by one of my colleagues, Lim Chin Tiong. MySQL is chosen to manage our database system. We store the student information and other relevant information. The administration tool of MySQL we choose is PHP MyAdmin. While for the main storage, disk and tape storage are used. In order to prevent any data loss due to hardware failure, cloud-based storage is used as the backup storage. Okay, how we are going to obtain and update the information. For existing students or graduated students, the information collected using paperwork previously should be transferred to this student information system. The existing students should only be asked to update contact information such as phone number, email, and etc. only while they log into the system using the key provided by the university. For new enrolled students, they will need to fill in a registration form while they create the new account. While how we going to update the information? For graduated students, only important news and notifications will be sent to them through this system. While for current students, the information will be adjusted according to their courses, years of studies, and subjects taken.
Hi everyone, I am Lim Chin Tiong. Now I am going to describe the outcome and hardware needed for this system. The outcome of the student information system is to display necessary information and provide paperless solution for the student. This system able to display information of students, attendance tracker, the taken unit of academic and co-curriculum. It has provided the academic transcript, course registration, academic calendar, and personal mailbox functions as well. The figure shows that the simulated outcome of student information system. The following video demos the simulated outcome of student information system. Okay, now it comes to hardware requirement. The special part of our student information system is there is no special or proprietary hardware, and it is compatible with almost server-grade operating system. Windows Server 2012 for example. Our student information system is highly efficient both in its consumption of computing resources and its storage space. The main concern is the external storage, which is crucial to store a lot of students' information. The table shows the Windows Server 2012 R2 hardware requirements. Well, I'm going to describe how does the hardware is needed to store information. The diagram shows that the information students are stored in two locations. One is the on-site storage and the other one is off-site storage. On-site storage is in USM EE school server storage. The off-site storage is on cloud-based server storage. For the on-site storage, there are two types of storage system. The first one is disk storage system. It stores the current students' information. As student information system is frequently accessed by current students, it needs faster access. So it uses RAID 5 configuration which provide better disk performance and data recovery. The second one is tape storage. It used to store graduated student information because number of graduated students will keep increasing. It offers lower cost solution compared to hard disk. For the off-site storage, it used to provide emergency backup in case of hardware failure occur in on-site storage. There are two kinds of servers for on-site storage. One is the free cloud storage, OneDrive for example, which offers to store every student achievements. It is very useful for company who like to review student achievements. The other one is dedicated cloud-based server like Backblaze, which store all student information.
A good day to everyone. I'm Jia Yiing. Now let's focus on the estimated storage usage. The estimated total number of each first until 4th year EE student will be consist of 180 students. The estimated total number of EE students in a year will result in 770 students. Therefore, the total storage usage per year will be in total of 37.6 GB. In 20 years, the storage usage will increase to 752 GB. As the price of spending in this storage will be more expensive compared to tape storage, the graduated student information will be moved from this storage to tape storage. Only current student information will be stored in this storage to reduce cost to purchase more disk storage. Now let's turn our attention to implementing costs. We'll be using Backblaze for business of unlimited backup plan. It only costs $50 per year per computer. We predicted the overall expenses for our project. The starting cost to purchase all the required hardware and cloud storage fees will be only $4,447.80. Furthermore, the overall expenses per year will be only $1,688.74. The overall expenses include cloud storage, annual fees, maintenance of the system, estimated around 12% of the hardware purchasing price, and electric bill charge. The second factor which in considerations is the usage of electrical power. According to the datasheet of HPE tape storage, power consumption in ideal and typical stage of tape storage is 7 V and 24 V respectively. The tape storage has an advantage in backup data for long-term retentions and do not require electrical power for storing. This is an ideal solution to keep the graduated student information. Since this storage active 24 hours, it requires constant cooling which causes additional power consumption. According to the datasheet of the iStar USA, this storage, the power consumption is 250 V. In a year, this will require 2,190,000 V. The last factor is sustainability issue. We are using combinations of internet, cloud, and tape storage instead of using paper to implement an eco-friendly and paperless system. This will not require students to fill in any paper form and reduce the spatial space to store for all the forms filled by the student. Besides, tape storage will reduce the usage of electricity to store information about the graduated student as it does not require power connection for storing. In addition, disk and tape storage lifespan can last up to 3 to 5 years and 10 to 20 years respectively, which does not need to change or renew the system often. Lastly, our system do not cause environmental degradation issue.
In conclusion, this system can be minimize the paperwork from the university as well as provide convenience update to students. Overall, the system is a good choice for centralized student information systems. These are the references that we use for this video. If you are interested, you may have a read on them.